Hi YouTube, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie.com. I live in the frozen tundra, also known as Texas, and we are still alive. Yes, we are surviving. Not real well, but we are surviving. I'm out here right now playing ball with my dog, and yeah. So this started on Thursday, today is Wednesday, and it has not let up. In Texas, when we get snow, it's like a dusting of sleet, and they close everything down. And it only stays around for a couple of hours. Very, very rarely does it stick to the ground even for a full day. So the fact that, as you can see behind me, there's been snow on the ground for several days is really strange. The fact that there's snow on the ground is very strange because it's never cold enough for it to stick. Anyway, like I said, we are surviving. Haven't been able to do a whole lot of crafting lately because I've just been trying to keep warm. So they turned off the power on us. They call it rolling blackouts, but what they turned it off sometimes for, 4-6 hours at a time. And then some places, I'm lucky, some places they can't get the power back on. It won't come back on after that. So they've gone 36, 48, 50 something hours without electricity. Now you might be thinking, oh, that's not that bad. Well, our Texas homes were not built for this. Most of us, myself included, do not have anything but electricity. We don't have fireplaces. We don't have gas stoves. Everything is electric. And now I don't have water. So it's a balmy 30 degrees right now. Never thought those words would come out of my mouth. Our coldest temperature right here was 3 degrees. Yes, we are setting all kinds of records with this weather. And yeah, for all of y'all who live in this type of thing all the time, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I never want to be this cold again. As you can see, I'm wearing every single piece of clothing that I own. So they told us to conserve electricity at the beginning. And even when we had power, to not use too much. So I didn't. I didn't run the washing machine or the dryer or the dishwasher. And now that I have no water because the electricity couldn't stay on to heat my pipes, I now have no way to wash anything unless I start, collecting snow to melt in the brief intervals that we have electricity in between. Anyway, we're surviving and just wanted to check in and let you know, I hope that y'all are having a warm, wonderful day. And I gotta go play some ball some more. And then go in and get warm.